Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the select by topic part of the question bank menu in FormMaker. So I've created a sheet that's going to hold my questions. I've called it demo form. I've opened the sidebar. I'm going to switch to the question bank sidebar. And I'm going to work with this one, select by topic. When I click that, it will open this window. So the first thing it wants to know is where to paste the questions. So I'm going to choose the demo form. I'm going to select 2 of each topic. You can leave that blank and get all the questions for that topic. And it will go up to 2. If there aren't 2 questions for that topic, it will only do the number that there are. So if questions on America, biology, let's have history. So you can choose up to 10 topics. Once you're happy, you can paste the questions. And you'll see them being populated into the space here. If you want to stop and start again, you can clear the destination sheet. So that just gets rid of the questions. But I'm not going to do that. So you'll see it's created the questions. There's only one biology question, so it's only dragged one across. But that's it. And then you're good to go. Oh, just one last thing on the question bank. So it's working on this column, the main topic. There is a subtopic field, but it doesn't use that. It just becomes too complex to work with that. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.